Hey everyone, just a quick little video on my new LePera bare bone seat. Now this is the one with the white stitching and the diamond formation with the white piping around the outside. It really does look fantastic. It gives the bike a whole new look. You know, from the curve, from the tank through the seat and onto the fender, that real bobber look. That's what these street bulbs are all about. It was about a month or so ago I was scrolling through YouTube, as you do, and come across this German guy's site, and he just brought one of these new LePeras and put it on his 2020 street bulb. I thought, gee, I like the look of that. So I did a bit of homework and found out that Rolly's Speed Shop here in Brisbane had one in stock. So I gave them a call, popped down Thursday night, and they were kind enough to pop it on the bike so I could have a look, you know, before I buy it. Of course, that was a worry. As soon as it was on the bike, loved it, rode away with it. It's a great looking seat, it really is. Now it's quite comfy. I've only done about 30-40k on it. Haven't done a big ride yet, but it's comfy. It makes you fit in the bike, if that makes sense. You feel quite grounded in it. It's really nice. I mean, the original seats on these street bulbs were quite wide, not that comfy. But as you can see, this seat here just snugs the frame. It just fits. It really is good. Well, that's it for me. I know it's a quick little video. Thanks for watching Kiwi Grand Tours, and I hope you're enjoying the channel. Stay safe, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.